Alright, time for a little break area upgrade. I got me a hot plate and I need a spot to put it, and I need a spot to put my barbecue. I also got me a little cappuccino maker. So I'm not making runs to the Starbucks. I need to do a little something right here. Want something I can stash the barbecue under, put the hot plate on, a little cappuccino maker. Gotta add a little power, so put an outlet right there. Made myself a little drawing so I can get my cut measurements. Something simple, but I do everything with a drawing. Makes life a little easier. Got my stuff out. I keep this little area right in here. Work on my car, but really for a fab area. When I finally do start getting some fab stuff to do, or my projects I get to work on after I get these machines paid off. I got my flap wheel out. I got a little Miller welder, MIG, makes it easy. I'm going to do a little deburring and then start tacking it together. Alright, I got it all deburred, cleaned up. I'm going to use a piece of scrap to help hold stuff square and tack it all together. Yeah, good enough. It'll work. Open on one end so I can get the barbecue in. Show you right now. Go fit my barbecue underneath. I gotta make something for a countertop. And then eventually I'd like to add a drawer. Well, I have to add a little more to it later. I still gotta put an outlet in. Drop it off of there. So that's a little bit of a frame. I need to add a countertop. Add the outlet so I can use some stuff on top of it. I'll look around and see if I can find something to make a top out of. Alright, let's see how the top fits. Pretty good. Use some rivets. Something to hold it down. But that'll work for a little break area